Alright, so I'm replacing a ceiling fan. And the ceiling fan has, you got your neutral, you got your ground, you have a red wire, a black wire, and a white wire. So neutral and two hots. Because it was controlling the light and the fan. Okay, so I really couldn't find anything on the internet for doing this, so I was a little confused because the light I'm putting in has a ground, a neutral, and a hot, and then two for the dimmer, which I'm not going to use. Okay, so going over to my switch, now I have two switches. One was for the fan, light, upper, and the fan, lower. So what I'm going to try to do, where's my switch? I bought a switch. I gotta go find my switch here in 1 second. Alright, so I just got a simple one-way switch. And let's see, on, off. What I'm gonna do is the red, obviously disconnect your breaker first, I did that. The red, I'm just gonna cap that, and I'm gonna put the black in and then black out, and then cap the red up here. And just use the white and black. So I'm hoping that's going to work. I couldn't really find anything on YouTube or the internet. I was looking. I'm like, what's going on here? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm capping the red. I'm just going to tuck it up in there. Okay. Basically, oops, sorry. Not a lot of room to work with here. Okay, so that one's out of the way. Kind of. So now, just tuck your red out of the way, and use your black and your white wire. And the same over here. What you want to do, just cap the red one, and then wire it like normal. Run your two blacks into here, and call it good, because our neutrals are already wired together in there. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's see, I'm looking for a ground in here. Where's my ground? This doesn't have a ground. The grounds are in there, tied up, but no one grounded this light, so I'm probably going to want to, let's see, it's already grounded. Maybe run a ground from there to my switch here. So anyways, thanks for watching, my friends. So if you run into a problem like this and you have 3 wires, 2 hots and a neutral and a ground, so 4 wires coming out of your outlet, and you only need the white and the black, the neutral, the hot, and the ground, just go ahead and cap off the red one or whatever it is. Cap it off the red one here, and just use your 2 black wires. So, all right, thanks for watching, my friends, and we'll see you next time.